Mr. Hilton, I'm writing to express my concern about the limitations of our current rehabilitation equipment. Some of our machines are outdated and malfunctioning, which is impacting patient care.
I understand your concern, Mihira. We've been facing budget constraints, and it's been difficult to allocate funds for new equipment.
I appreciate the budgetary constraints, but outdated equipment can lead to inefficient therapy sessions and hinder patient recovery. Investing in modern equipment can significantly improve patient outcomes.
I agree, Mihira. Perhaps we can explore options like leasing or renting equipment to reduce the initial cost. We could also consider applying for grants or seeking donations from charitable organizations.
That's a good idea. We should prioritize the most critical equipment needs, such as those used for balance training and gait rehabilitation.
I'll discuss this with the finance team and explore potential solutions. We'll prioritize patient care and ensure that we have the necessary resources to provide effective rehabilitation services. Mihira, I like to explain what we mean by hypotension, which is simply the medical term for lower than usual blood pressure. Think of your blood pressure as the gentle force that pushes blood, carrying oxygen and nutrients, to every part of your body, from your brain to your muscles. When that pressure is a bit lower than normal, it can sometimes mean that this delivery is a little less forceful. This is often why people can feel a bit dizzy or lightheaded, especially when standing up too quickly, or you might experience some blurry vision or even feel a little faint. It's your body's way of signaling that it's working to adjust that flow. Now, I want to reassure you that for many people, this isn't always a major cause for alarm. In fact, some individuals naturally have lower blood pressure and feel perfectly fine. The most important thing for us is to understand why it's happening for you and to keep a gentle, watchful eye on it. We will work together to monitor how you're feeling, track your readings, and identify any patterns. Often, simple adjustments can make a significant difference. My goal is to help you manage these sensations so you can feel more steady and secure, and we will navigate this together one step at a time.